good. So everyone can hear me, and the video is working, the live is working, and then we can start take challenges. Okay, I'm going to do 5 giraffe spins now. 1, 5. Thanks, Rand. And gallop 10 meters. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. It's a fundraising for a Giraffe Conservation Foundation. Awesome. And everything is live streamed so people can see you. Hello. Do you know giraffes wear Nikes, not Adidas? Hey.
Have a picture with you.
Of course.
This is a real safari.
Please, can you make giraffe sounds really loud for 10 seconds straight? No, like £10 is too cheap for this one. I don't even know how a giraffe would sound like. I can shout out for 5 seconds maybe. I'll do that. Scream, I love giraffes. I love giraffes! Yes, I do. Oh. Yeah. Hello. Thank you so much. You're sexy but too short for me, I'm afraid. Oh, I don't know how to go through this one. Oh wait, hang on. Wait. £5. I'm not gonna sing the Lion King. What is that? Okay, thanks Freddie. Another £20. I will sing the Circle of Life. How to sing that again? What? Sing the sound in Tesco? Oh God. Can you do a demo for me, please?
Ci
venga, Baba Gigi Baba. Back home now. Yay! Thank you very much. Ask your possession if they like giraffes. Okay, I will do that. Excuse me, sir, may I ask you a question? Do you love giraffes?
No, really.
You don't?
Not this.
Not this one? Okay, fair enough. He doesn't like this giraffe.